Hey y'all, we are somewhere new today, new to us, that is, new location, new just out and about location, but we are staying this evening at the Camp Wilderness Campground at Carowinds.
Carowinds is not new to us, but the camp is.
A lot of people that we've heard or talked to have no idea that Carowinds even has a campground back here. But there is a campground. You've got places for the RV or camper, and they have cabins. So we are in a 2-bedroom cabin tonight. We're going to check that out. It's going to show you some of the amenities here around the campground and the little check-in and lodge here. We have been over to the park already, and I'll show a little bit about heading over. There's a shuttle, picks you up right over there actually, and drops you right off. I mean, it was quick, wasn't it? I mean, they're running constantly.
And they drop you off pretty much right there at the sidewalk to walk up the Carowinds.
I think it's like every 30 minutes.
Yeah. So we didn't wait any time to come back. And we'll probably, we might head back over this evening. But our main thing this evening is we want to check out this cabin. And guess what? We have Cooking with the Crazy Pop with us. So and guess what he's going to do?
We're going to eat.
We're going to eat some good food tonight because...
Might not be good, but you're going to eat.
He brought the Blackstone. So if you don't know about Cooking with the Crazy Pop, be sure and check him out because he cooks some good food on that Blackstone.
Well, you hadn't tried it yet.
Wait for that white
smoke. I have. Yeah. We've tried a smash burger.
Oh, that's right.
So anyway, let's go take a look around and see what they have to offer. Let's go. You are staying at Camp Wilderness at Carowinds. You do have free shuttle to the park, so you get picked up right here in front of the registration trading post here. And here's our shuttle waiting, and they will take you to Carowinds and pick you up and bring you back. We have jumped on our shuttle and getting taken to the entrance of the park. Super easy. They run continuous. Okay, so our shuttle just dropped us off, and we're right here. This is where you'd come back to be picked up. The tram does run every 30 minutes. And 30 minutes after park closing, so it is pretty much continuous. And we're right here to the side of the Fury. We have enjoyed a little bit at the park, haven't we, Crazy Pop?
We have.
Crazy Pop has now joined us, and yay, we won some games.
Yep.
Get you a game pass, annual game pass at Carowinds for the season.
Yep.
And tell us what that gets, Crazy Pop?
You get $20 of gameplay per visit.
Okay.
The whole year.
The whole year.
Yep.
So, and how much was the add-on?
I paid right at $100. I think
okay.
It was.
Well, we had fun. We won some games. We got some ramen noodles and some Kool-Aid.
Oh,
dinner's ready. We haven't been out here any time, and here comes our shuttle.
Hello.
We will fix to go in here and check in here in just a few minutes. But I just wanted to show out here that they do have a pool. Of course, it is April, so not quite open. They have some chairs out here with some fire pits and gazebo around. Looks like they have some games down there. They got a gazebo out here, and they have disc golf down here. That's what that's called?
Yep.
Okay.
I think.
I've never played that. Okay. But they have some grills, plenty of picnic tables. And like I said, nice little gazebo. Now, you can barely see in the distance over there. You'll see the Carolina Harbor water slides. So, oh, I see a volleyball court up there. So, this is on the back side of the park. But I think we're ready to go in and check in and find out where we can get to our cabin. We have come in the place here to check in. They have a nice fireplace in here, a place to sit and play some games if you like. Some chess, probably checkers. They have some merch in here, some Carowinds merch and some camping merch. Jackets if you need it, sunglasses, firewood. any of your barbecue and camping supplies you can find here if you forgot it or if you run out of charcoal or lighter fluid.
To my knowledge, I was under the impression it happened here. Norm just walked outside, so I'll have to double check. Because I know that,
It's really nice in here.
you know, it was the ladies of the
And in here again you've got some food items, frisbee stuff, just games, any games you might want. Oh, stuff for the doggies. Just anything you might have forgotten and left at home, any medical emergency stuff. And a few little assortment of drinks. And coffee. Alright, we are in Site C8. And we're headed down to check it out. Mr. Tyler's got the map here. Navigating and driving. Well, check out that cute little cabin right there. This is our home for the night. We haven't made our way in yet. We're just out here getting ready to get our stuff together and head in. But I like this little spot. We're on the end. There's nobody right beside of us. We have the picnic table out here and a grill, which we don't need just because Crazy Pop's gonna cook on the Blackstone. But it's pretty quiet down here. And again, it's pretty cute. We're gonna get ready to go inside. And let me just mention, this is a much bigger cabin over here. I forgot the name of it, what they actually called it, but that will fit a lot of people. What, you going in? All right, Tyler's going in. This is cabin C8. Oh, we got a little front porch swing here too. Okay.
Yeah, I'm liking the little swing there.
Let's head in. Okay, you walk in. We got the dining room table here for 4. We have a TV. Little couch. I think this actually folds out to, it's basically a futon. Tyler's already making use of the swing. So we do have coffee pot, toaster, we got all kinds of appliances. Looks like we're fully stocked with that. Dishwasher, stovetop, and microwave, and refrigerator. A good size refrigerator. We got plenty of stuff to put in there because we are cooking here tonight. Crazy Pop is, and cooking breakfast in the morning. So how cute is this? We have one bedroom over here to the side with the TV in here. It's got a twin bed with the 3 twin bunk beds over here. And it does have your bedding.
You see the toaster, cooking utensils. Oh, it even has some bowls and stuff up here. So,
Crazy Pot's behind me, so be sure to check out his video too. Hanging with Grace Fruit.
Over here talking about me, so be sure to check out her video.
Then next up, we have, looks like about a double bed in here. I don't think this is a queen. And it's pretty tight little bedroom here, but that's okay. Still got another TV in here. You can open up the window if you need to. Let's see. And there's our little neighbor cabin over there. All right. And we have the bathroom. With a shower. And so, just so you know, because we were actually wondering about it, they do have your supply of towels.
Let's go.
I have a hairdryer for you. And your shampoo, soap, things like that, and towels. And I think that is about it. All right, Eric, tell me hey.
Alright, who's sleeping down there?
We don't know who's sleeping on that lower bunk right here.
Here's a demonstration.
Okay, let's see a demonstration. Tyler's going to demonstrate.
The low bunk.
Okay, can you do it?
Oh. There's a demonstration of the low bunk.
Okay, y'all, seriously, this is super cute. Really cute. I like it. I really like it. But that's about it. That is the tour of the cabin. We'll share a little bit of our cooking here in a little bit. What did I tell y'all?
Got them scrimp on the griddle.
What did I tell you? Look what we're having. We got shrimp cooking. Crazy Pop cooking with a Crazy Pop. He's got some shrimp cooking.
We're gonna eat here in a minute.
We got all kinds of stuff. Broccoli and onion, shrimp, peppers. I don't know what else we got going in there. Noodles.
Baby corn.
Oh, baby corn, mixed vegetables. Oh, yeah, the Mike's Hard Lemonade, you know, it's going in there too.
That's seasoning.
But we are ready. Told you we were eating high on the hog tonight. Actually, Crazy Pop corrected me. That's high on the shrimp
High on
tonight.
the shrimp. Yeah.
Well, we have the finished product here almost.
I'm Onion Bay.
Except for Crazy Pop's got to add some green onion.
Green onion.
Look at that stir fry. We're ready to chow down. Eric had to have his own plate with no peppers and stuff. He don't know what the good stuff is.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're eating. Thank you, Crazy Pop.
No problem.
Look, a baby corn.
A baby corn.
Corn.
It's corn.
This is awesome. Nice evening, sit out and eat at the picnic table out here. And one of the many benefits of staying at the campground, right?
Yep.
Well, we have had an awesome night here at the cabin. We went to the park last night, come back after closing, sat in there and had some fun. Cutting up, didn't we, Eric? And Crazy Pop is out here bright and early this morning. He's getting some stuff started on the Blackstone.
Steak, egg, and cheese burritos.
Yep, steak, egg, and cheese burritos. Got our steak over here, got the stuff rubbed down on it, or his seasoning, and he's cooking us up some breakfast. And let me add, it's already smelling really good. Alright, we adding some eggs in here. Crazy Pop's instructing how to keep them light and fluffy, right?
Trying to. Not working out.
We got some steak over here in the corner with no peppers and onions. The other corner has peppers and onions. We ready. Crazy Pop's getting our burritos stuffed here. We have the shadow in there. Eggs, cheese, pepper, onions, steak, and more cheese.
More cheese.
More cheese. There's never too much cheese. And a little top secret sauce. Getting them stuffed, getting them back on the griddle. All right, we are cutting in. Crazy Pop is to the burrito. We've already cut into ours. Woo-wee!
Still steamy.
It's good. Looks good. We're all sitting out here eating. I've already started on mine, but tastes good. Like Crazy Pop just said in his video, this is really nice. Just sitting out here this morning is actually turning out to be a beautiful morning, isn't it?
Where you at, Taco Bell?
Eating some delicious food, cooked right over here on the Blackstone, and enjoying the beautiful morning. Here is the map of the Camp Wilderness campground, just to give you an idea of what all they have to offer. They have the full 50, full 30, and then a full pull-through 50 and 30. They do have the bathhouse, laundry, and that's up at the main office. They also have that Great Wilderness Lodge, which is right across from where we were staying, and we were in C8. They said they had some in the front there and in the back, and we had asked for the back. Said it's a little quieter back here, but they have a lot of campsites to offer. Well, we have finished up breakfast, a delicious breakfast.
Well, thank you.
From
Thank
Cooking
you.
with a Crazy Pop.
Crazy Pop.
We've loaded up everything. We've cleaned up. We are getting ready to go to the park. So that's the good thing. You know, this Camp Wilderness is so convenient to the park. We've got the shuttle to take us over there.
That is a great thing right there.
Yep. I know Crazy Pop had mentioned, because we were sitting out here, we've enjoyed it's actually turned out to be a beautiful morning. It was a little chilly earlier. But we were sitting out here enjoying breakfast. Kids were riding by on their bicycles and golf carts going by. It's really a peaceful.
It is.
I never realized I'd actually enjoy it as much as I have last night and yesterday evening, this morning. I told them we would definitely be back. This is
a way
to stay
This,
at
like Tyler
Carowinds.
said last night, we were talking about it, he's like, this is how you do Carowinds.
Yeah.
We've really enjoyed it.
Yes.
You know, most of the supplies are in the cabin. They do have your bedding.
Yeah.
And they had towels. They had
Your shampoos, your conditioners.
Yeah. Now, hand soap and stuff, you would have to have your own. I think there was a little bit of stuff in there in the bathroom.
Right.
But as far as dish liquid, stuff for the dishwasher, there is a dishwasher. You need that stuff. And I don't know that they actually come back and clean it, while you're here. I doubt they do. Most cabins I've stayed in, they just clean at the end. So you'd have to, if you're staying several nights, people want to make your towels last and stuff.
Yeah.
But anyway, great time. Totally enjoyed it. Thank you, Carowinds.
Yeah.
Thank you.
For
very
having
much,
us
Carowinds.
out here. Yeah. And we're going to go to the park and enjoy the rest of the day. But be sure to follow us. Also, Crazy Pop, Hanging with the Crazy Crew. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. We're always posting stuff on there. And Eric over here, who's never in the video. Y'all know that if you've watched anything. He's enjoyed it too. He said, thank you, Carowinds. And follow him on Between the Parks. So we will see you later, and thank you.
Bye.